Alright guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk tips for No Shave November, including my number one tip if you are wanting to participate in No Shave November. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, beard tips and tricks, you have definitely come to the right channel. Today, we're going to talk about a few tips for No Shave November if you are planning on participating. It's currently the month of October. We're getting close to November. So, I wanted to drop this video and give you a few pointers if you plan to participate. So, all right, so No Shave November, it's a way to raise awareness and money for cancer, okay? That's where it all started from. And the idea is that if you, whatever money during the month of November that you would pay for shaving goods, you would put that money towards a donation. And you would not shave beginning November 1st till the end of November. All right, when it comes to that, if you've never had a beard before, there are a few tips and tricks that you need to know before you get in there and get neck deep in No Shave November and then start regretting it, okay? So, a couple things. Don't fall prey to a bunch of the ads that are gonna solicit you because of No Shave November. They're gonna tell you that you need combs and brushes and balms and butters and soaps, and you don't, okay? You need one thing. That's all you need. One thing. Now, if you plan to keep your beard past December 1st, then yes, you're gonna need some of those things. But just to get you through the month of November, hey, are you enjoying this video? If you are, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure you do that. You need a bottle of beard oil. That's all you need. One bottle of beard oil. You can look at some of my reviews that I've done of beard products, and you can pick a company from that. I'm not gonna give you one company in particular. You can do that, or you can go to your big box retail store and pick up a bottle of beard oil. Now, you can probably pick up a bottle for, say, $10. Anywhere they're gonna range, anywhere from $10 to maybe even some of them up to $30. I have a video that tells you how to pick your first beard oil. Now, I'm gonna put a card up top for that video, and I'm also gonna put it at the end of this one. So watch all this and then go watch that video if you're new to beard products. And I'm gonna tell you in that video how to pick the best beard oil. But basically, don't pick an oil that has an ingredient that you have to Google, okay? If you can't read it, don't buy it. That's same for online shopping, for big box retail stores. You can get quality beard oils from those big box retail stores, but just read the ingredients. You can get decent beard oils from Amazon. Just read the ingredients, okay? That's my number one tip, is buy a bottle of beard oil before November happens. So, according to how fast your beard grows, don't fall prey to beard growth oils. Just get a regular beard oil. Probably 2 to 3 days in, you're gonna get that stubble. Go ahead and go with one drop. One drop of beard oil. Get it rubbed in your hands, rub it all through your facial hair. What it's gonna do is it's gonna moisturize that skin and keep it hydrated so it's not going to itch. All right, that's the biggest downfall to a new beard, is beard itch. So you're gonna get that. Come about a week, or maybe a little over a week, you're gonna increase that from 1 drop of oil to maybe 2 to 3 drops of oil. It's not gonna make your face shiny or greasy or oily unless you apply too much. So if you put it enough and your face is shining, where your beard is, now it will make you shine up here, but where your beard is, if that is shining and kind of greasy to the touch, you've put too much. Go ahead the next day, put in a little bit less. All right. The other thing with the beard oil, what I would suggest you do, is as that beard is coming in, that's when the itch is gonna happen the worst. So go ahead and put in, if you take a shower in the morning, put your beard oil in right after your shower. If you take a shower or bath at night, go ahead and put it in at night right afterwards. And do it the 2 times a day. Do it before bed and do it before you leave for work. But get a little bit of oil in there, and that will help that itch go away. You should not endure that beard itch in that first little bit of November. All right. If you decide to keep your beard past November, then yes, you're probably going to need a brush. As your beard gets longer, you're going to need other products. You don't have to have them, but it does really good for your beard to have them. When it comes to No Shave November, when it comes to the month of November, don't use your shampoo for your head in your beard. Just rinse it really good, kind of scrub with your hands with hot water in the shower, and it will do wonders, okay? And then just apply that oil when you get out of the shower and you've dried off. That's the biggest tip for me. For you, from me, is buy a bottle of beard oil. Now, like I said, there's numerous places where you can get those. I'm not gonna sell you on a certain bottle. I'm not trying to sell anything to you. I want you to pick the one that's best for you. So I've done reviews for the last 6 years on beard products. So I have a whole array of beard products that you can check out. I have a website where I have most of them listed by company. So you can go in there and look and see if there's a company that you've heard of, and you can click on that and check those out. So again, I've been doing product reviews now for a little over 6 years. So I've reviewed a lot of companies. Majority of them have been decent, with a few bad apples in there. So check that out. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments. Even if I don't answer it, this is a huge beard community. Even if I don't answer it, somebody else may see that comment first and be able to give you a correct answer. So don't go out willy-nilly. I'm giving you the #1 tool you need is buy a bottle of beard oil. All right. Again, I'm not the guy that's selling it to you. I'm not telling you to pick one that I get a commission off of. I'm telling you, pick one and purchase it, because your face will thank you, and come middle of November, you won't be clawing your face off and trying to decide if you want to shave your beard off. Okay, so beard oil is key. There you go. I think that's all I got. So I'll see you in the comments. Don't forget to watch that video at the end of this one, talking about how to pick the best beard oil. And yeah, I'll see you in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.